Best 10 foods to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. If we are asked which of our body's organs we consider to be a superhero, we will name the kidneys without hesitation. Did you know that your kidneys filter about 200 liters of blood per day? That's equivalent to about twice the volume of a mini fridge. Your kidneys filter your blood to remove toxic waste products that accumulate due to important chemical reactions that occur in all your cells. Moreover, your kidneys can produce new red blood cells and keep your blood pressure within normal range. Don't you think it is necessary to keep your kidneys as healthy as possible? Over time, especially if you're eating the wrong diet, your kidneys' function can be affected. It all starts with your diet. And since we care about you and your kidneys, in this video, we will reveal the best 10 foods to include in your diet to detox and cleanse your kidneys. So, let's get to it. Number 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are rich in what is known as polyphenols, which refers to a type of compounds usually found in plants. Polyphenols are responsible for cranberries' mind-blowing properties. Logically, since your kidneys are working day and night, they'll obviously accumulate numerous waste products. Out of these are the reactive oxygen species, or ROS for short. Normally, your body removes these compounds via antioxidants. But what if you have more reactive oxygen species than what the antioxidants in your body can handle? Your kidneys are more prone to ROS compounds than other organs because the toxins that pass through it actually increase the production of ROS compounds. These compounds can be incredibly damaging to your kidney cells, and that damage may even lead to chronic kidney diseases. This is where cranberries come to save the day. The polyphenols in them act as strong antioxidants, as proven in studies done on lab rats and in clinical studies done on patients with chronic kidney diseases, where a decrease in oxidative cell membrane damage was seen. Additionally, there was an increase in antioxidant levels in the plasma. Polyphenols achieve this by affecting genes in our DNA that increase our body's natural ability to produce antioxidants. The acidic compounds found in cranberries, such as vitamin C, oxalic acid, and salicylic acid, also play a role in protecting the kidney. These acids decrease the pH of urine, making it more acidic. This produces a medium that doesn't favor the growth of Escherichia coli bacteria, which is a common cause of urinary tract infections. The fewer infections your kidneys are affected with, the less damage they will go through. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic is widely known for its popularity in Ayurvedic medicine as a remedy for many diseases, including those affecting the kidneys. The garlic's strengths are in it being an outstanding anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Chronic kidney diseases can occur due to prolonged inflammation in the kidney tubules or due to oxidative stress caused by reactive oxygen species. Both can damage your kidney cells. But have no fears because you're brave garlic and fight both conditions. Adding more, garlic can decrease the amount of toxins produced by microbes naturally living in your gut. This lessens the workload on your kidney. The problem with garlic is that it's not for everyone's palate. Some people don't like its taste, while others despise the unpleasant breath caused by garlic. If you're one of these people, don't give up on your kidneys just yet. Keep watching to know what else you can reward your kidneys with other than garlic. Number 3. Grapes. Weird thought, but have you ever thought of giving grape powder to obese type 2 diabetic rats? No. Well, this is precisely what they did in 2017 to see the effect of grape powder on the progression of kidney disease in these rats. The grape powder improved the urination of these rats and also decreased that amount of proteins in their urine, which if found can indicate kidney damage. Moreover, it decreased the death of specific kidney cells, called podocytes, due to the effect of H2O2 compound. In total, grape powder was successfully capable of reducing the progression of kidney disease in these rats. Number 4. Red beetroot. Yes, you probably guessed right. They gave beetroot juice to rats. All for the sake of science, right? Before giving them beetroot juice, though, these rats were given gentamicin, which is an antibiotic that happens to also be nephrotoxic, so it is toxic to the kidneys. Yet these rats still managed to survive, and they owe it to the beetroot juice they got after. Not only did it increase their antioxidative enzymes, but it also decreased the urea and creatinine levels in their blood. At the end of the day, these rats lived happily ever after with healthy kidneys. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a popular spice in Indian cuisine, which happens to also be helpful for your kidneys. It is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, meaning that it will stop the progression of chronic kidney diseases by decreasing inflammation and eliminating reactive oxygen species from the kidney. It is also worth mentioning that turmeric increases the production of certain enzymes that break down indoxyl sulfate and p-cresyl sulfate, which damage the kidneys and aid in the development of chronic kidney diseases. If you feel like you're gaining new and helpful information by the minute, support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Number 6. Lemon. In many cultures around the world, a morning cup of lemon juice is known for its many benefits. But how exactly can it be beneficial to your kidneys? Well, in a recent study, male participants drank 50 milliliters of lemon juice every day. The concentration of oxalates, calcium, and citrate was measured in urine before and after drinking lemon juice. These compounds were chosen to be measured as they can form kidney stones if they accumulate. It was shown that the excretion of oxalate, calcium, and citrate was increased by 33.4%, 6.8%, and 3.5% respectively. This decreases the chance of stone formation as it decreases the chance of the crystallization of these compounds. Number 7. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, especially nephrologists. Have you ever wondered why apples were chosen in this famous saying? Because their benefits extend to every organ in your body. Another variation of this saying in the medical world is an apple a day keeps the dialysis away. Like we said before, one of your kidneys' functions is filtering your blood. This includes the removal of hydrogen ions, which, if not removed, would increase the acidity of your blood, leading to what is called metabolic acidosis. This causes kidney injury. However, adding apples to your diet can help decrease the acidity of your blood, which prevents metabolic acidosis. This is because when apples are metabolized, they give HCO3 ions, which are alkaline. Number 8. Cabbage. A new day came, and a new study was done on rats. This time the rats were given cabbage juice orally for 28 days to see its effect on kidney functions. The results showed that kidney function significantly improved, which was obvious after measuring the levels of urea and creatinine in their blood, which were shown to have decreased. If their levels decrease, this means they are properly excreted outside of the body by the kidneys, which means that your kidneys are functioning properly. Cabbage can be fairly easy to include in your diet. It can be eaten as soup, or you can chop it and throw that pile in your favorite salad. Number 9. Ginger. Of course, it wouldn't be right to make a list of foods to cleanse your kidneys without mentioning ginger. In a recent study done in 2021, 24 male rats were divided into 4 random groups. One group was the control group, where nothing special was done to them. The second group were orally given 1 gram per kilogram of body weight of ginger extract per day. The third group were orally given 4 grams of ethanol per kilogram of body weight per day. And the fourth group were given both ginger and ethanol. Why ethanol specifically? Because alcohol can markedly damage your kidneys. To obtain the results, they measured the levels of various factors that can indicate kidney functions, for example, oxidative stress and tumor necrosis factor alpha genes. Tumor necrosis factor alpha is responsible for starting a series of events that may lead to cell death. Total amount of phenolic compounds was also measured to demonstrate antioxidant properties. The results were in favor of ginger, as it was concluded that the group taking ethanol only had higher levels of urea, creatinine, and uric acid, in addition to a higher expression of tumor necrosis factor alpha genes. On the other hand, the group taking both ginger and ethanol showed results completely opposite to those of the ethanol group. So, ginger can help your kidney by decreasing the expression of tissue necrosis factor alpha gene. Number 10. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil for your kidneys may sound a bit fancy, but trust us, it'll be worth every drop. We promised you that we will give the rats a happy ending, so this time the study we are referencing was done on humans. 40 patients with chronic kidney disease were given a dose of 40 milliliters per day of olive oil for 9 weeks, which is about 2 months. Thanks to the powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect of olive oil, these patients had improvements in their renal function and decrease in oxidative stress and inflammation. We should warn you, though, that too much of a good thing is a bad thing. A little bit of olive oil here and there is a good idea, but too much of it can increase your body weight as, at the end of the day, it still contains fats. These were the best 10 foods that can detox and cleanse your kidneys according to studies. So, give your kidneys a well-deserved treat and try any of the foods we talked about in your next meal. Do you already eat any of these foods daily? Which one is your favorite, and how do you like to eat it? Tell us in the comments below. We can't wait to hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching.